Hello, my name is Austin Bird.
And my name is Sadler Bailey.
We're at Bailey & Greer, a national pharmaceutical litigation firm. We focus on people who have had problems with defective drugs and defective medical devices.
Tell us where you have your client base.
Well, we have clients in all 50 states.
A lot of people are familiar with terms like class action is that the kind of work that you do, class action cases?
You know, this isn't class action litigation. What we're dealing with is multi-district litigation.
And what is multi-district litigation?
Multi-district litigation is when many lawsuits are filed, primarily in federal courts around the country. And for efficiency, something called the Judicial Panel on Multi-District Litigation picks one court in the country to handle all the pretrial discovery matters.
And so what is the advantage to a person who has been injured from a pharmaceutical or a medical device in being involved in multi-district litigation?
Well, the biggest advantage is probably cost savings. When you have 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000 people that have been injured all sharing the expense of proving the case, of hiring the experts, of going through the documents that you're going to get from the drug or device company, those costs get spread across thousands of people. You could really never afford to litigate or prosecute one of these cases on behalf of just one client.
Well, what if one of your clients has really been catastrophically hurt and another one not so much? Are they all lumped in there together?
You know, see, that's the really good thing about multi-district litigation is the damages experienced by the individual are going to be treated individually or examined individually. So while the cause of the defect or the problem with the drug or device is discovered and explored as a group, when it comes to whether you were injured and how badly you were injured by that drug or device, we're going to have an individualized assessment of those damages, and we'll be able to argue with the drug or device company about your specific injuries.
If a person is a victim of a bad drug or medical device, why wouldn't that person just go to their local lawyer?
Well, it's a terrific question. The chances are that local lawyer is not going to have any experience in pharmaceutical and medical device litigation. They're not going to have any experience in the multi-district litigation rules. And besides that, because of the consolidation of the cases, the case is not going to be situated in the same city as that local lawyer. I'll give you an example. We're representing quite a few women who have experienced problems with pelvic mesh repair or transvaginal mesh. And those cases have all been consolidated into the Southern District of West Virginia. So that local lawyer, chances are, doesn't live in West Virginia, and that's where the case is going to be. Because we're a national pharmaceutical firm, we can consolidate the cases from all over the country and then effectively deal with the courts in West Virginia.
Yeah, if a person feels that they may be the victim of a bad drug or medical device, what would you advise that person to do?
Well, the best thing they can do is call a national law firm that really focuses on litigation concerning dangerous drugs and dangerous medical devices. A firm like ours is going to have the experience representing hundreds and hundreds of clients, and we have very experienced intake personnel who are going to talk to you, understand what you're talking about. We've been down that road and can give you the best counsel possible.